Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to set up Streamlabs OBS virtual camera on computer. Setting up Streamlabs OBS virtual camera on your computer is a straightforward process. Here's what you're going to do. Download and install Streamlabs OBS. So go to the Streamlabs OBS website and download and install this application. Then launch Streamlabs OBS. In Streamlabs OBS, go to the top menu and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, select Virtual Camera. If you don't see Virtual Camera, you might need to install it. Follow the on-screen prompts to download and install the Virtual Camera plugin. Once the Virtual Camera plugin is installed, click on Tools again. This time, select Virtual Camera from the drop-down menu to enable it. After enabling Virtual Camera, a window will appear with settings from the Virtual Camera. You can configure settings such as a resolution, frame rate, and audio inputs here. Adjust these settings according to your preferences. Once you've configured the settings, click on the Start button to activate the virtual camera. Open the application where you want to use the Streamlabs OBS virtual camera. In the video settings or preferences of the application, look for the option to select a camera input. Choose Streamlabs OBS virtual camera from the list of available cameras. After selecting the Streamlabs OBS virtual camera, test it to ensure everything is working correctly. Open a video conference app or any other application that uses a camera, and verify that the Streamlabs OBS virtual camera is displaying the correct video feed. If you encountered any issues or you want to make further adjustments, you can go back to Streamlabs OBS and modify the virtual camera settings accordingly. And that's it! That's how to set up Streamlabs OBS virtual camera on your computer. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.